Let me show you how to quickly blend two images in Photoshop. First, open your images in Photoshop. I'm using these images, and you can find the download link in the description. Click and drag the images to the first image. Decrease opacity. Press Ctrl-T to enter free transform, then resize the image. Increase opacity. Select Selection tool and select the subject. But here it needs a little correction. Choose Lasso tool and hold Shift to add your selection. Go to Select, Modify, and Expand. Set 12 pixels and click OK. Add a layer mask. Unlock background layer and select both layers. Go to Edit and choose Auto Blend Layers. Click Stack Images and click OK. That's it. I hope you enjoyed it. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials. Thanks for your support.